Hello, my name is Lloyd. I look after Console Connect application support. My job is to help our users with anything related to our platform. Today, I will be showcasing how to connect to OVHcloud with Console Connect Layer 2 service, taking advantage of a better, more secure and smarter way to get your cloud instance. From the dashboard, go to the menu, click on Connections, and click on Add New. Make sure Clouds on Everything as a Service is selected, and click on OVHcloud. Over here, you need to enter your OVHcloud service key. For this, you need to order the S key from OVH. Head over to the OVH portal. In the OVH portal, go to Bare Metal Cloud. Click on Network. Click on OVHcloud Connect. And click on All Services. Then click on Order. You will be redirected to the order page. Over here, scroll down and click on Order Now. Select Console Connect as the provider. Select your bandwidth. And select your OVHcloud POP. Then click on Order. From here, you need to complete the order process, then the S key will be delivered to your account. For the demo, I have already completed this part. I will go back to the OVH portal. Once your order is completed, you will see your OVHcloud Connect service can be found under All Services. Scroll down and copy your S key. Then go back to Console Connect. In Console, paste your OVH S key. Then click on Next. Then select your port. Then click on Next. Set your connection name. Then set your rate limit. You can choose to auto-assign your VLAN ID or configure your own. Then you can select your class of service. And you can select your duration. Then click on Next. Then you can review your order. And click on Next. Over here is the payment page. You can select your payment method. Then you need to agree to the terms and conditions. And click on Create Connection. This will take a moment to complete. After a while, the Layer 2 service will be fully provisioned on Console Connect. The final step is to configure the VRAC and the Layer 3 details of your connectivity in the OVH portal. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us on support@consoleconnect.com. I would be more than happy to help you further.